Seeing those guys get out there for early season practice like this in the heat. But I mean, I heard you say cold front. Now, that is a relative term, is it not?
It is this time of year, but I will say you're going to notice a difference tomorrow, especially if you go in some of the outlying areas.
Right. Well, I thought I noticed a difference yesterday when you said the dew point was lower. I mean, it was warm, but the humidity was not there. It was beautiful yesterday.
It was so nice. We got up to 91 in the city, elsewhere upper 80s, but it was a comfortable heat, right?
Exactly.
Today's heat a little bit more on the sticky side, but we'll make that comfortable transition tomorrow. So it's that up and down pattern, Nick, but perfect to head outside and get that run in. 67 degrees right now over in Columbia. Winds currently are out of our north, and they are going to be shifting just a bit, so don't take that as the gospel yet. Right now, you look downtown, we're coming in 71 degrees under calm conditions. That's around 2 degrees higher than yesterday's start. Now, sunrise is going to be taking place at 6:08 this morning. Sunset at 7:32. So right around sunrise, you're going to notice quite a bit of that visibility still staying low for our friends over in McMinnville, where you're waking up not being able to see too much. 0 miles for you, 5 in Cookeville, 3 in Crossville. But as we approach the 8 o'clock hour, stirring is going to take place, and we'll notice a little bit of that evaporation. We're not picking up anything on the Power of 5 radars. We are completely dry. That's just a little bit of ground clutter this morning. Temperatures, look at Crossville. I look for you guys to dip around 59 ahead of the day. 61 right now. Nashville 10 degrees warmer. You've got 69 over into Bowling Green, 66 down into Fayetteville, over into Parsons. You're at 68. Winds currently have that southerly flow, so that's drawing in quite a bit of moisture. But we're going to see a short wave and a cold front easing in today. That's going to provide us with a little bit of lift. And even though you can feel that air a little bit more on the muggy side from what it was yesterday, there's still not a ton of moisture in the air. So when the system does move in, we're not going to see widespread showers and thunderstorms, but we will have heating ahead of it. So the city, I look for you to top out right at 90. Murfreesboro, you'll hit 89 for your afternoon high. A little cooler over into Crossville as well as Cookeville, as your highs will be in those low 80s going into our afternoon. So you'll notice clouds increasing throughout the next few hours. We'll see some scattered showers and thunderstorms. They'll be more on the spottier side. Severe threat is very low. Now, as we head after sunset, we'll still notice a few of these storms trying to lollygag, and they're going to ease their way just off to the east. Looking to be out of here by tomorrow morning, and then by tomorrow afternoon, during the heat peak of the day, we could see a few more spotty showers. Overall, this is not a washout by any stretch of the imagination, but we will have some nice chances for some rainfall to take place. Here's a look at the 7-day. Today in the city, we'll hit 90. Everyone else, you're going to be in those 80s. Tomorrow, 85 for your afternoon. Crossville, Cookeville, there's a good chance you're going to be in those upper 70s. So it's going to be nice and a treat for this time of year. Thursday, 87, that 30% is just for the afternoon. Similar for our Friday. Humidity values will continue to skirt up just a bit, so it's going to make things feel quite muggy and as if we are in those 90s. Sunday's looking to be the drier day as we'll flirt with 90 degrees.